When shopping for thermostats, you'll come across terms like programmable and smart. Programmable thermostats allow you to automate temperature adjustments by scheduling specific times. On the other hand, smart thermostats like Nest take things to the next level with intuitive interfaces and features like auto-scheduling based on your behavior patterns. One of the great benefits of a smart thermostat is its ability to conserve energy. When set to auto, the fan operates only when necessary, reducing electricity usage compared to keeping it running continuously. This not only saves you money, but also keeps humidity levels in check. Smart thermostats with room sensors are a game changer when it comes to maintaining optimal comfort. These sensors monitor conditions in different areas of your home, allowing you to adjust temperatures according to specific needs and preferences. This is especially helpful during seasonal changes. What's really cool is that many smart thermostats work with voice-activated systems like Amazon Alexa and Google Home. Imagine adjusting your thermostat with just a voice command. It's convenience at its finest. And now smart thermostats have gone beyond simple temperature control. They offer features like touchscreen interfaces for effortless navigation, energy usage reports to help you save on utility bills, and even data collection to make automatic adjustments based on your habits and local weather forecasts. In conclusion, smart thermostats elevate temperature control to a whole new level, providing energy savings and seamless integration with other smart devices. If you ever need assistance with your thermostat or are considering upgrading to a smart thermostat, Anthem is here to help. We specialize in HVAC services, ensuring optimal performance from your heating and cooling systems. And remember, investing in an HVAC maintenance plan like our Comfort Club membership is a smart move for homeowners. It offers benefits like routine checkups, discounted repairs, and improved indoor air quality, all while enhancing your comfort and saving you money on utility bills. So why wait? Get started today by calling us at 951-389-5151 for the Inland Empire or 760-895-2621 for the Coachella Valley, or visit our website and discover the full potential of an HVAC maintenance membership in enhancing your comfort and saving you money. We're here to make sure you have the best HVAC experience possible. Thank you for choosing Anthem HVAC, where your comfort is our priority.